Hello Bladers! In this day and age, almost everyone has a smartphone. Not only have they saved us at work, they have also become a necessity for the time we live in. In fact, we can get regular news updates in a snap through different applications. In terms of cars, people who own a car usually download a few applications that could be useful to them. However, in case you aren't familiar with them, here is a list of 3 applications you need if you own a car. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 3 applications you absolutely need if you own a car. Number 1, Waze. With the traffic in the metro, having Waze is pretty important. Apart from giving you alternate directions, it can also give you estimated time of arrival so you can play your day. Number 2, Android Auto/Apple CarPlay. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will let you mirror your phone on your car's screen. This is super important for safety purposes because it won't have you looking down on your phone anymore. Number 3, Parkify. Yes, it might sound silly, but the majority of people who aren't good in remembering things will really benefit a lot from Parkify. It'll help you remember where you are parked so you won't have to search forever for your car, especially when you are in an unknown place. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.